Okay, so there was a startup of this 2021 Bryant Legacy line fire department. I've gotten it starting up before, but the startup of it wasn't the best. I set it on the disconnect where it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. So I'm glad I got it again. So, yeah. It's already cold and sweaty. This is amazing. This thing is filthy. It's from 2021, it's a 2-ton. This replaced a 2018 2-ton Carry Comfort series, which was making some bad racket. That's why I had to go replace. So, I got an amazing steam shot of this last winter. So, yeah. There was a startup of this 2021 2-ton Bryant Legacy line pump. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. No, we're out.